What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is sort of a follow-up to a video that was recently released regarding what people look for in a Discord and how to make your Discord active. That video can be found linked below, but basically I interviewed a whole bunch of people, about 30 people, all came back with the same sort of answers, saying that what they look for in the Discord is community. Somewhere where they can hang out and not get pinged by the @here or @everyone, and no going live posts. All they want is a nice hub area for a community to develop. If you want to watch that video, again, it's linked down in the description below. But I didn't really go into how streamers' Discords should be set up, what topics should be included, how you should structure your Discord. That is what this video is going to be about today. So if you do like the video, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll get into it. So I've got my Discord here. And again, if you want to join my Discord, a link to that is in the description below as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at the far left side of the screen, and I'm going to be expanding these as we go, just so it doesn't overwhelm you at first. So first thing that people see when they join my Discord is the rules. It is very, very important that this is the first one that you have. So I have at the top here as a start here. This means that whenever anyone joins my Discord, they are brought to the rule page. And that way they can't say, well, I didn't know about the rules, because it's the first thing you see when you join my Discord. So I have basic rules where you treat everyone with respect, no toxic behavior or discrimination, racist, hateful, condescending, belittling, all that sort of stuff. We accept everyone here, so I want to have a very inclusive kind of Discord and to have a common sense approach. I don't want any kind of toxicity or any just rubbish going on in my Discord. I talk about the topics and the boards. They're all very self-explanatory, and I just ask that topics of conversation are kept to the appropriate board. That way the Discord feels organized and everything has its own place. Now, something extra, because I want to help people grow their streams as well, is that I have a separate section for streamers. So some people have joined my Discord as a streamer with the hopes to grow their own streams as well. I offer a separate section for streamers in the Now Live roles, where it can actually put their name up on the side where people can see in real time if they're live or not. An example, as you can see, is right here with the Now Live with King Pig John. So I don't have a going live area. I'll get into this a bit more later on, but I don't have a going live section or post or anything like that. I actually offer automatic role changes like this, where you can basically click on his name and see in real time who is live and who is streaming. So I'll get more into that later on. But basically I have something in my rules for streamers to say, if this is something that you want, you need to remain active in the community. Below that, I even have some community values. So I want to have transparency, consistency, fairness, inclusive, and kindness in my interactions in the community. So these are the values that I want people to encompass when they are engaging in my Discord. Last but not least, I go ahead and discuss my mods. So if you have any concerns or questions or feedback, they can inbox myself, or you have my mods here. Now they can just go ahead and click on their names and message them directly. So it offers them the chance to go ahead and have options if they have any questions or concerns. They know exactly who they can go to. They know the rules, they know the values, they know absolutely everything as soon as they enter my Discord. Now, the next thing that you want to have in the start here area at the top is your announcements. Now, this used to be my going live section, and that used to be at the very, very bottom of my topics. It used to have everyone's channel that went live was posted, and it was just ridiculous. No one used it at all. No one looked at it. It was just a complete waste of time. I would suggest you don't have a going live area. I would put an announcements topic or board at the top. That way, when someone comes to your Discord, it's at the very, very top, so they can see what is going on. They can see that there's going to be a new notification as well, and they're going to be more inclined to click it when they see it at the top. If it's all the way down here, or even past the scroll, depending on how many topics you have, they're not going to click on it. This announcements area is for when I post new videos on YouTube, any announcements regarding my streams, and when I go live. So I usually go live about 3 times a week. So 3 times a week, this will be updated when I go live. You can see here that this is a new video that I've just made, and I've posted it as well. So any kind of announcements regarding my social media is going to be on there. Again, it's my Discord, so it's fine to have announcements that are purely tailored to you yourself. Again, don't just use this as a going live, actually put announcements in there as well. If you're going to use it as just a going live, people aren't going to check it. So that's what people see at the very, very start as soon as they enter the Discord. And this is what I believe everyone's starting here or the top of their Discord should look like. Let's now move into community chat. So we start off with a general. This is my general conversation here. This is where sort of anything can go on, and I suggest that you have a general in your Discord. It's pretty much the bread and butter of everyone's Discord to have a general chat sort of area. I then have a mod chat. Now this is where myself and my 2 mods have a private chat that no one can see, where we can discuss issues in the Discord, any suggestions of improvement, if we talk about any sort of troublesome members, anything like that. I would highly recommend that you have that as well, because it's a good place for you and your mods to communicate sort of outside of anything else in your Discord. You can set up a group conversation as well, or group DM, up to you. I prefer to have it in my Discord because I do sometimes get a lot of inbox messages from people wanting help as well. So it's just good to have it in my Discord away from my inbox messages. I also have a sub-only chat. Now, I've recently only implemented this, but the reason why I've done this is because I think it offers something, I guess, to the people who want to support you financially. It gives them their own little private sort of chat area. Now, my Discord isn't the biggest. I don't have a lot of subs, but when I do get bigger, this will be a really nice area for subs to have their own private chat room. It's a way to kind of give back to the sub-onlys. Now, if you do have a sub-only chat, make sure that you're incredibly active in this. There is no point in putting all your subs into this chat and then leaving it silent. There is no point. These people want to financially support you, so it's going to be really in your best interest to really step up your engagement in the sub-only chat room as well. Now, outside of that, I've gone ahead and made 4 more different topics for chat. So I've got a rant for anyone that wants to rant their issues, and we as a community can come through and support that person. I've got movie and game spoilers, so we can have movie and game discussions in general, but if it gets into spoiler territory, I've set up that particular board here. I've got world news and politics. That's for people who want to discuss politics, and it's also kind of a respect thing because not everyone wants to talk about politics, and if you put that in general, it puts a lot of people off. A lot of people do want to talk about politics, so I said, hey, look, I'll go ahead and make a separate topic for you guys to go ahead and talk about your politics. Lastly, I have a game recommendations for anyone that wants to suggest a game that I play on YouTube or on stream or just in my own time. So as you create your Discord, you are going to go ahead and, I guess, expand it the way that you want and the way that you see fit for your community. I would definitely recommend that you start with the rules and announcements, and you have a general, you have a mod chat, you have a sub-only chat, and then you just see from there. Leave it at that. And see how your Discord evolves, see what your members are wanting in your Discord, and then that can dictate what new boards that you introduce. Now, I was a culprit of this, and I would suggest that you don't do this. Do not create a topic for don't create a board for every single topic that comes up in your Discord. I was a massive culprit of this. I had a tattoo board because a couple of people in my Discord were talking about tattoos, on the occasion. So I said, cool, I'll go ahead and make a tattoo board. That took that conversation away from general and put it in tattoo board. I also had a gardening area. It took the gardening talk from general over to gardening. The problem here is that if you keep taking away topics from general and making their own separate topics on the side, general is never going to have anything to actually keep it moving. That means when someone comes into your Discord, they're going to see that your general chat it's very outdated because the last time someone updated it was, days or weeks or months ago. Because you keep dissecting the general chat and making specific topics for specific things, it takes away from general. So it's fine to have general go on about multiple different topics. Don't feel the need to set up new boards every time a new topic comes up. I was a massive culprit of this. Please do not do it. I'm telling you from experience, it kills the general chat. Now, for those text-based boards, I have them in a community chat. So I have start here, community chat, and then we go into pics/creative. This is where I have all my text channels. This is where I have all my media/picture channels. It's very, very easy to follow, and it's very, very basic. Again, you want your Discord to be very organized like this. So when people come into your Discord, the process of entry is super, super easy, and they can easily understand how your Discord functions. I have been a part of people's Discords where they have 30 plus boards and it's all scattered everywhere. And I've just said to myself, I cannot be bothered trying to get to understand this Discord. I'm not going to be a part of it. You want the process of entry to be as easy as possible so you can retain as many active users in your Discord as possible. So let's go into the pictures/creative. So as we unpack this, you can see that I have spicy memes. This is where anyone wants to post their memes. We have NSFW, if anyone wants to post any NSFW materials. We have selfies, if people want to post their selfies. We have a food porn, if anyone wants to post what they've cooked or anything they're eating. I've got pets and animals, if anyone wants to share their animal pictures. I've got travel. I've got things for art. I got a few artists in my Discord, so they really appreciate having a separate board where they can post their art. Any kind of DIY projects. I've got a couple of crafty people in my Discord as well, where they want to go ahead and post their projects. They can do that. And I've also got an area for Twitch clips. Now, people like to share their Twitch clips from their Discord, so I've got an area for that as well. So this is, at first, quite a lot, but it's actually broken down and is fairly self-explanatory. I've got memes, NSFW, any kind of selfies. You've got food, animals, travel, art, and any kind of DIY projects. Again, these are things that people really appreciate having a space for, because people feel bad if they just go ahead and flood the general chat with all their projects. So having certain topics or boards for the creative people in your Discord, it's really going to make sure that they come back, because they're going to stay engaged. It's a way for them to share what they have created with other people in this community. And they can get feedback from other people in the community to say, well, how did you do that? Or that looks really good. And it really tightens the relationship between them and other members in the community. And it just keeps people coming back. They know that if they come back to your Discord and they post something, they're going to get some form of positive reinforcement. It basically makes them feel good to engage in your community. So having boards and topics like this allows that to happen. And lastly, I've just got a couple of voice chats. So I have a live stream chat where no one can enter but me. I have an out of stream hangout area, and I have a party chat where everyone can join. So what happens if I want to bring someone up on stream is that they join the party access like this, and then I go ahead and pull them up to this area like this. That means that while I'm on stream and I'm on voice chat, no one can enter my live stream chat. That means if I want to have people on my stream and voice call, they call the party chat or they join the party chat, and I pull whoever I specifically want up. It gives me absolute control as to who I have on my stream. I've been a part of streams where people allow anyone to join their Discord call at any time, and to me that is scary as hell. You never know who's going to come in, you never know what they're going to say, and you lose absolute control. All it takes is for one idiot to come on call and say the wrong thing and you're banned on Twitch. So that's basically my Discord. You got the rules and announcements at the start here. You got your basic text boards, and I've fleshed out based on the needs of my members in my community. I've then got some picture or media based boards and topics here, and then a voice chat. This is all you need. Even this, it could be refined even more, but it's fairly basic and it's very, very easy to follow. When you collapse it, it's easy to see that it's broken down into a couple of different categories. You have your start here, you've got your community chat, you've got your pictures and creative media, and then you have your voice channels. It is so easy to follow, and this is what your Discord needs to be. As I said before, the process of entering into Discord needs to be as simple as possible. Now, as I said, you might want to support other streamers in your Discord. I would highly recommend that you do not use a going live channel. I've had so much feedback from everyone that no one firstly cares about it, no one uses it, and it just clutters your Discord with another board that no one looks at. You want to refine your Discord to make it really tight and easy to follow. Don't put in anything that people just aren't going to use. Instead, as I said before, I've got this Now Live bot that automatically updates particular streamers' roles to a Now Live area so people can see in real time who is actually live. The issue with those going live posts is basically the fact that it only tells people when someone started a stream. It doesn't tell people when they're currently live. So someone could click on that going live link if they were to use it, go to the channel, and they see that the stream has ended. At least with this, I can see that King Pig John is alive at the moment. But not only that, I can actually click on his name, see exactly what he's playing. I see the title of his stream. I see he's live on Twitch, and I can click watch. That will take me directly to his channel, and I know he's live because the bot currently has him in Now Live. I have a video as to how to set up this bot. Link to that is also in the description below if you want to see that. Making these changes to a Discord or setting it up in this way has, or at least for me, really increased the interaction and I guess the frequency of interaction. I used to have days where, it would just be me saying, "Good morning guys, how you going?" and leaving it. No one would interact. As you can see in the general, someone else has posted another topic of conversation. My biggest issue is that I had too many topics and it took away from general. Now we're all packed in, so if someone sees and comes into my Discord, they see that it's active. If it's active, they're going to be more inclined to interact with the active members as well. If someone joins your Discord and sees that no one's spoken for the last month on anything, it completely puts them off just interacting with your Discord. They'll join and they'll file your Discord away. I really can't stress enough, do not ping at everyone or here every single day. It is the fastest way to get someone to go ahead and turn off notifications for your Discord, and they'll file your Discord away and they'll never ever come back. So guys, that is how I believe streamers should be setting up their Discord, and that's what I believe people should be including in their Discord. You want your rules and announcements to be at the top because that's what people see first whenever they come into your Discord. You want to have some text-based channels, you want to have your generals, you definitely want to have a sub-only area, and I would suggest having a mod chat for your mods to discuss everything Discord and stream related. You also want to have some media or picture-based topics as well, but do not get into the trap of creating just boards and topics for absolutely everything. You stretch it out so thin and you take away all these things from general and you basically kill the general chat. Again, don't bother having a going live area. No one uses it. It's annoying to everyone. I would suggest maybe in your announcements, have your going live posts if you want, and also implement that bot that I was talking about, the Lopez bot, for any streamers that you want to support, where they can go ahead and be put into a Now Live area. It's not intrusive. People can see in real time when they're live, and you don't get annoying posts every single time when someone else goes live. Let me know if you're going to make these changes. Let me know if you think I missed anything or if you disagree with my suggestions. Again, leave all that in the comments down below. If you want to join my Discord, the link to that is down below, as well as those videos I mentioned as well. If you do like the video, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.